What is this?
What is this?
Pass.
For the team.
Now hold on a minute. I do like crows.
He got that corvid, Juniper. He got that corvid.
He got that corvid, but he doesn't have anything about corvids that I like. Oh, sorry.
He's
he
just a
doesn't have
sad
wings.
little fuck. A sad
He's
excuse for a fucking man and
fucking
bird.
He's a little pussy, isn't he?
He's just a sad fucking excuse for life itself, bro. He's just so fucking...
He's just a pathetic little ass.
Yeah, it's a pathetic little piece of motherfucking shit, fucking bitch motherfucker.
I'd smash.
You know what? I think I would, actually, now that you mention it.
Yeah, what a little
smash.
bitch.
Because you could kind of, like, bully them, you know? I think that'd be fun. That'd be fun. Smash.